Okay, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Carringba, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 911 SC that I'm working on. Customer said there was something wrong with the actual cold start or stalling or something like that. When the car came in, I went to actually just connecting my tool up now. So where that plug there was disconnected from before, so I just connected back up. So I already done this test, but I'm just showing the video. So what the value I got with the actual valve shut for the system pressure went up to 2 bar. Valve open for the control pressure with the plugged in. I got up from 1.7 bar to 2 bar, didn't even increase. So the control pressure should be at actually 4 bar, 4.5, 5 bar. I didn't even get there, so it looks like a fuel pump or something wrong with the actual, something's blocked somewhere, the fuel filter, or just got to check the fuel pump as well underneath the fuel tank. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. I've got a tool that I bridge. So I put the ignition on, bridge it. You hear the fuel pump. So not even moving, so control pressure is 2 bar. Take that one off. And when you go to system pressure, it's only 1 bar. 1 bar or something like that. Should go up to 4 bar. Control pressure, 2 bar. It's increasing now, so it's increasing more. Anyway, let's just turn that one off. Special tool I made. Okay. Let's have a look at the car here, inside the car. Turn this one off. Okay, I've got the ignition on now, so this switch here is already on its way out. This is worn pretty bad. Motor. That motor's gone. That motor on that side, that's gone as well. It's pretty bad to actually fix. I've got to get new parts for both sides and a new switch as well. There's no point fixing that, but that's already loose, very loose. Okay, let's go look at the actual window regulator. Actually, let's look at the bushing. This is the bushing. Have a look at that's pretty worn, pretty old, that bushing there, that brown one there at the bottom, and this one here is worn as well, the tunnel bushing. That's worn as well, pretty bad. A lot of play on that one there as well. And let's look at the actual coupler at the back. Grab the light. Coupler at the back there, that looks like it's been changed, but I don't use them, I use the direct coupler. I buy the whole kit that comes complete with the actual bushings. Alright, so that's one more thing to look at is the actual speedo. But let's have a look at the motor here, the actual window regulator. So I've stripped down the door, as you can see here, all the parts for the door there. The funny thing is the speaker is not even connected because that's the speaker wire. That's not even connected. I don't know why. Do the hard work. Not connected. The two motors, this is for your motor, that was connected to the window switch, but nothing else was connected. So those wires was tucked away inside here. I just found them now. And this one here is already on this nearly broken. So I'm gonna cut them and repair them. And I'm gonna figure out which one's power. This one, usually from memory, this one is power and that's earth, and that's actually signal. So it wasn't connected properly. So let's have a look at the actual, make sure the window motor is working. So I've got a special tool to actually test that. Let me just connect that up. Alright, let's have a look. Got my special tool there. Put power to the actual window. That's working, so no worries, that's good news. The motor still works, but it wasn't connected properly. That's the problem. Okay, so now I've got to actually go back and have a look at I'm going to write up my the list I need, the parts I need for this, but I'm going to look at the actual speedo as well. Okay, got to look. I'm going to get the wiring diagram out and then see which wire goes where. Goes the switch. It's got, if you look at the switch here, it's got a few connections there. They only connected 2 but not the other 3. That's why it wasn't working. But I had to strip it down to find out because I couldn't find the wire anyway. The wire was tucked away inside. There was one there. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.